All right, I'm going to show y'all how to do a dimensioned drawing for your puzzle cube parts. So I've got the basic setup here. I've already put in the volume and the surface area for this one. And you'll notice that I've got it set so that all of these just show the line. So this one I want you to do in color. So right click on it, edit view, and then tell it to show color. And then these should stay on this one, visible and hidden edges right there, right? So the dotted lines show hidden edges, the solid lines show visible edges. Okay, so close. So dimensioning, as with a lot of things, is actually really crazy easy, right? But there are certain conventions you need to observe. So in order to dimension, you go up, you click on dimension, and then you click a point and a point, and then you draw up. So one of the conventions is you never draw to the edges. You never draw to the outside, to the bottom, to the top. You always draw to the interior, okay? So there's one dimension placed. Dimension is still working. Now we need to get this dimension from here to here, right? And then you pull up. So there we've got those two. All right, now we need this dimension from here to here. Pull it out. And we need this dimension from here to here. Oops, it's not pulling. There it goes. Pull it out. And we need this dimension from here to here. Pull it out. Okay. So you can see how that's done. You can see how it's all nested, right? So this shows height and width. Now we've got to do depth. And it's probably easier to do depth on this one. So here, once again, point to point, pull it out, and then point to this point. Let's see if we can get it to go a little more. There we go. All right, so there you can see how you do dimensions, and then you just input your table. Yay. Let's make this a little neater. There. That's like that. So the other thing is you want to give these a lot of room to breathe. So this looks kind of cluttered up here. So take this, pull it down and over a little bit, and notice that the dimensions move with it. You can move that as well. So give them a little room to breathe. Let's move this one up a little bit so that the dimensions don't clutter each other up. Okay, so the biggest sin is don't over dimension. All right, for example, we've got this point to this point, this point to this point. We don't need to do this point to this point because it's already done. It's already implicit, okay? All right, that wraps it up.